Hello, in front of me I've got EPOMAKER F75 MAX. In this video I'll show you how to hot swap switches. In the beginning, prepare keycaps and switches puller. Place it over the keycap. And now with the second part, place it over the switch from the top and bottom. Like this. Squeeze it and gently pull it out. As you can see, the switch has 3 or 5 pins depending on the switch. After replacing, make sure to put the new one in the correct order to not damage the switches. Gently push it in and place the keycap back. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.